It's time for another Dollar Tree Valentine's Day DIY. I am losing my voice, so please bear with me. But I wanted to show you guys 3 different really pretty and unique ways to use Dollar Tree Floral. If you've been with me for a really long time, then you know I've used Dollar Tree Floral for a lot of different projects all across a lot of different seasons and holidays. And I will link some of the ones that I've done for Valentine's Day down below. I've done garland, I've done like mason jar toppers with floral. So many different ways I've used it. These are the 3 new ways that I'm using it this year. I wanted to show this first DIY. Again, all this is Dollar Tree. I'll still link all the materials down below, but it's all pretty much Dollar Tree. Actually, I think everything is 100% from Dollar Tree. All the jars, the boxes, etc., the floral. So I wanted to show you guys this first DIY because it was just so simple, but yet effective. You don't really have to do too much, too many steps of DIY or use all kinds of different material to get a really beautiful piece, and the simplicity of that first DIY I truly loved. Now let's move on to this next one. I'm a little bit behind in the voiceover, but some box flowers. Haven't we all seen these beautiful floral arrangements on Instagram? People are now receiving flowers this way, like real true flowers this way, and I thought it would be really fun if I created like a faux version for Valentine's Day. So I have a regular square box and then the heart-shaped box, and I wanted to show you guys how I did this. I just cut down the stems to size and then I nestled them all into the box. Be patient with this because if you're not using any sort of like floral foam to stick the stems into, they may kind of slip around until you have a bunch of flowers in there, so they can kind of like group and hold together really nicely. But you can use some floral foam, stick it at the bottom so that the little stems don't slide around. But I just wanted to be as cheap, cost effective as possible for these DIYs, so I didn't want to add that extra material into this. But I will say that the tighter the floral, meaning they don't look that bloomed, probably the prettier they're going to look, and you're going to really see the shape of the box. As you can see, it was kind of hard to see the shape of the heart box because the flowers that the roses that I used had a more bloomed effect to them. So if you get tighter looking roses, you will really be able to see that heart-shaped box a lot more. But I still think it turned out super beautiful. I love this, so many different options, and I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. But yeah, and I chose red for the red box because I thought it was going to complement it more, and then white for this box. Just because I wanted to pull out more of that white rather than stick like a pink. I just thought it was going to, the choices I made for the floral for the boxes were really specific to make them look as luxurious as possible. Now this final DIY is really simple, but something I've never done before. I love doing Dollar Tree floral arrangements. As you know, like I mentioned, I've done a ton of these in the past. But what I did different with this one is I used the heart-shaped foam wreath. And it is a wreath at Dollar Tree. They make it in red as well. And I basically take a balloon straw and I stick that at the bottom of the heart and then nestle it right into the floral arrangement. Now, actually, I mentioned earlier that this was 100% Dollar Tree, but I just realized looking at this clip that the white baby's breath in this version right here is actually from Michael's, but the baby's breath from the first DIY is from Dollar Tree. But those little pink looking tulips, I don't think they're called tulips, but those are from Dollar Tree. Anyway, so I just basically, as you saw, stuck the straw into the heart-shaped foam and then put the foam, or the heart, where I wanted in the floral arrangement, and it really elevated it into a really fun, festive Valentine's Day look. I think I'm going to put this beauty on my fireplace mantle. It will look really beautiful, especially if you do like 2 of those. But that's it for this DIY, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, let me know which one was your favorite, and my Valentine's Day list is down below. Don't forget to check that out because I've done so many DIYs in the past. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon.